Ethereum value equivalent to $1591 a coin. The present reach. $1,584, $1,601. The earlier day close. $1,600. The change was 0.56%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at $1671. Most extreme cost $1,779, least cost $1,446. The normal for the month $1,613. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,555, change for October 6.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $1,555. Greatest cost $1,729, least cost $1,372. The normal for the month $1,542. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,511, change for November 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at $1,511. Greatest cost $1,641, least cost $1,427. The normal for the month $1,528. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,534, change for December 1.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,534. Greatest cost $1,534, least cost $1,265. The normal for the month $1,423. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,360, change for January 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at $1,360. Most extreme cost $1,397, least cost $1,215. The normal for the month $1,320. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,306, change for February 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $1,306. Most extreme cost $1,441, least cost $1,253. The normal for the month $1,337. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,347, change for spring 3.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,347. Greatest cost $1,445, least cost $1,256. The normal for the month $1,350. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,350, change for April 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset cost at $1,350. Most extreme cost $1,483, least cost $1,289. The normal for the month $1,377. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,386, change for May 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $1,386. Most extreme cost $1,687, least cost $1,386. The normal for the month $1,509. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,577, change for June 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,577. Greatest cost $1,707, least cost $1,483. The normal for the month $1,591. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,595, change for July 1.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at $1,595. Greatest cost $1,980, least cost $1,595. The normal for the month $1,755. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,850, change for August 16.0%. Eth United States dollars expectations for September 2024. At the outset cost at $18.50. Most extreme cost $1,850, least cost $1,592. The normal for the month $1,751. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,712, change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at $17.12. Greatest cost $1,712, least cost $1,337. The normal for the month $1,550. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,438, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $998. Most extreme cost $998, least cost $811. The normal for the month $920. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $872, change for December 12.6%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. To start with cost at $872. Greatest cost $1,083, least cost $872. The normal for the month $960. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,012, change for January 16.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $10.12. Most extreme Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,124, change for February 11.1%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. At the outset cost at $11.24. Most extreme cost $1,124, least cost $879. The normal for the month $1,018. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $945, change for spring 15.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $945. Most extreme cost $987, least cost $857. The normal for the month $928. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $922, change for April 2.4%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $922. Greatest cost $1,145, least cost $922. The normal for the month $1,015. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,070, change for May 16.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $1070. Greatest cost $1,328.